Okay, so I got this stuffing bolt loose, and I got this really nasty couple pieces of old packing. I mean, this is just like looking rough. And this looks like the remains of a third one that got just nasty stuff in it. I think also from the tape. So, yeah. No wonder it wasn't working. I mean, that's just looking rough. And so, the way that I made sure I got it all was I put this in as far as I can, and I give it a spin, and I can hear and feel it scrape all the way up back against the back of that packing nut. So I got it cleaned pretty well. I could still feel some. There's like old grime, old grease in there a little, and I'm gonna try to get that out a little bit more before the final step, which is to lather grease all over these and then put them in staggered one to each other so that the ends are not all lined up, and stuff it in and slowly adjust and tighten over the next couple of days till the leakage and the temperature of the leak is exactly right, about no more than 20 or 30 degrees warmer than the surrounding water. Some leak needs to get through in order to actually cool down the seal. So before, I think this was too tight, and while it was obviously the material inside was so old, I think it was creating friction on the prop shaft too much that it shouldn't have, and that is partly why this hose was it had pressure, too much pressure on it, and it came loose. So it's pretty much the final step. Goes another.